Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio Indore. For all the craft lovers over here, I am coming up with a series of crafty videos. So do subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Facebook and stay tuned. So today we are going to make this book box with a vintage and mixed media effect. As you can see, the cute little angel and the rustic effects on all the edges. So we are going to start with this project. So today we are going to use a MDF book box, a fridge magnet, resin angel, spatula, some MDF laser cuttings. Also we are going to use stencils from iCraft and we are going to use chalk paints, cream pie, global waters and stormy sky. And apart from this, we are also going to use a modeling paste. Now I am going to take my MDF coaster and I am going to take my stencil. With the help of modeling paste, I am going to place my stencil on the magnet base and I am now taking modeling paste just to provide a 3D texture on my base. Now once you are done with the texture, you have to let it dry naturally. Now I am taking the book box and I am taking another stencil. Again with the help of modeling paste, I am going to provide the 3D texture. Now I am taking the ring of the magnet and we are going to stick it with the help of glue gun on the base. Now the resin angel needs to be stuck on the base with the help of glue gun. Now once your base is ready, you have to stick this complete magnet base on top of your book box, right at the center. Now I am taking both the colors Stormy Sky and Global Waters and I am going to paint the book box. On the edges I am using the Global Water color and then I am doing random mixing with the help of Stormy Sky color. And you have to complete the full book box with help of these two colors. I'll quickly paint the whole box, including the center portion. And we have to paint the resin embellishment too. Make sure you cover all the sides and edges of the box with the random shading of both the colors Global Waters and Stormy Sky. Now once the box is done, you have to take the Stuart House brown color and you have to add a little bit of water and do the background edging. Take a sponge to dab the wet color just to give a shadow effect to the box. You have to provide this shadow effect on all the four sides using sponge, water and paint to give a vintage effect to the edges of the box. You have to repeat the process, same for all the four sides. Now once when all the four sides are done, now we also have to paint the rim of the magnet. You have to apply the same process while painting the rim of the magnet roughly. We are providing a rough look just to give it a natural look. Again with the help of sponge, we have to blend the brown color onto the base. Now you can see we are done with the edging and we have painted the complete box with the same shades which we used in the starting. Now I am going to take my stencil brush and I am going to take some cream pie paint in my brush, dab the excess on the cloth and we have to just do some dry brushing onto the final product. Make sure while doing the dry brushing you have very little paint in your brush, else your project will get spoiled. Dry brushing will enhance all the raised portions, the textures which we have provided on the base. Now as you can see, the complete top of the box is being dry brushed. Now for the edges also, we are going to do the same process to give it a rough look. Do not forget to follow the same step on all the 4 sides of your box. Step by step, do one by one side. Now once we are done with the dry brushing, we are going to take metallic gold chalk paint, and with the help of finger, I am going to take a little bit of paint, tap the excess paint onto the cloth, and we are going to highlight some of the portions. Make sure that you do not apply a lot of gold on your project. Just apply the gold on the areas where you want to highlight your project. Always start from the center and then slowly move to the sides of the box. You need to be very quick while doing this enhancing using the gold chalk paint because the chalk paint dries immediately. Also do the edging by using the golden color. Now we are done with the dry brushing with the gold color. Now you can see how beautiful our project is looking. Now I am going to take the MDF embellishment and I am going to paint it with the help of cream pie chalk paint. I'll just dry it quickly. And now it is ready to be used for decoration. Now take your finished book box. Take some mulberry flowers. Use your glue gun to decorate the box according to your needs. It is not a compulsory portion. You can also leave the box as it is, just as before, and if you want to enhance it more, you can add these flowers. I am just cutting the flowers with the help of my scissor and I am just going to place them like the buds. The arrangement part totally depends upon your choice. You can even do this as a two-way arrangement or a one-way arrangement. It is totally your call. Now I am done with the sticking of my flowers onto my base. Now we are going to use the cutout of my angel and I am going to place it with the help of glue gun onto my box. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more crafty videos coming up in the upcoming months. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.